Look at the niche market of the Series S console. Look at those 15. Half of all console sales have been Series S, and so you may have out of the 30 million or more, you may have half of those of 15 million Series S console owners. So you're not looking at, well, the showcase was for rich people. Well, not really. Not really. The lowest barrier to market is Game Pass. Game Pass isn't tailored for rich people. It's tailored for the month to month, check to check. Statistically, the most people have in the bank is $200. What's $18 a month for entertainment? You get hundreds of hours. What's a film? An hour and a half film, $15, $20. One film for an hour and a half. So what's the 100 hours in a month for $18? Do you see the entertainment value? Series S is half of the consoles that have been sold. The showcase isn't for rich people. The showcase is for people like you and me, everyday people, working class people, ordinary, common people, commoners like us. And that you can bet the competitor wish they had the Series S form factor as a part. You can bet the competitors there at Sony, those engineers of Sony, wish they had a Series S variant of their console presentation. You can bet the engineers wish that the corporates would let Sony put out a mid-tier, an entry-level console. The problem with the handheld, it's going to mean the Series S is going to be doubled in price. You can't get out of it. I mean, the form factor now, I speculate that. And so that's a barrier to market. We're not about that. We're not about a barrier to market. So Nintendo won't catch up because you can't have mature games, right? On Nintendo, because it's for kids. Kids grow up. And so you already have the market serviced with Asus, Lenovo, Steam Deck. The other ones, GPT or DP, they've already soaked that up. They're presenting their handhelds at $600. And I honestly don't believe they're making much money on that. Because you got to hire the workers, you got to buy everything, you got to hire everyone, you got to pay insurance. It's expensive to make a handheld. And I still don't think it's not a good idea. So once people hit 15, 16, 17, or 10 years old, 12, 10, 11, 12, their parents will buy them a Steam Deck. That will have Game Pass on it. Or buy them an Asus ROG Ally that has Game Pass on it. That's the logical step. They're already doing that. Cater to that demographic of get Game Pass on your Asus ROG Ally. Get Game Pass on your Lenovo Legion Go. You know what I'm saying? Cater to the existing market. Don't go out and build one. Offer it up as a license to a third party to do it. To make an Xbox handheld. Invent one, let someone else build it. Because the things break down, there's chip issues, there's heating issues, it's still prototyping these things. Let someone else build one. Heck, Steam could build one for Xbox. Let someone else do it. There's already competitors. There's no point getting into it. People are already buying the ROG Ally. The ROG Ally's basically been fixed. There's a thermal paste issue on the hardboard, on the chip, on the motherboard. That's why it was overheating. So you buy one, you've got to get it repasted before you use it. Newsflash. So, Series S power, Project Scarlet, we are rulers of the console galaxy. We are emperors of the console space. We control the reality of gaming. It's us. It's the family store. It's the family shop. And you can't put, it's risky. It's someone else's, in a corporate, it's someone else's money. You think, well, an executive decision to bring out a handheld. In a competitive market that's saturated, which you don't make money, and other people are begging to go third party and license your products on their devices anyway, and they're begging, and they're putting Windows on their devices. And you want to put family money of the investors who have money in the family shop. That's their money and not get it back. You want to spend it on this handheld and not get it back. That's stealing. That's stealing and lying about it. Oh, it was a good idea. No, it was a bad idea. Oh, it's going to make money. No, you're not going to make money. Other people aren't doing it. Everyone else is doing it. Everyone is trying to make handhelds and put Windows on it and run Game Pass on it because Game Pass is such a good deal for gaming. Everyone's doing it. So what's the point? You only need to do it if no one's doing it and it's innovation and you're a couple of steps ahead, do it. And you have the tech. Like the Xbox OG was the tech, was the go, was the cool kids piece of tech. Right? Tony Hawk Skater. Right? The surfing simulator, the snowboarding simulator, the driving simulator. Right? Hitman, assassination simulator. All the stuff the Xbox did. It was unbelievable, the OG did. It was innovation. It was unbelievable. And the only people that could do it were the people from the DirectX team with their links with the family shop, getting a version of NT on the system, which they did. It's kind of like, you have one good idea, but you think, well, you can be on a run. I'm on a run of good ideas. Not really. Nah. Sales and marketing, is a bit different. Now, the thing they should be developing on, as we all know, is Copilot Plus PC, which is an innovation like the Xbox OG, Windows NT with a GPU, NVIDIA's GPU, I think. Copilot Plus PC in the next console, in the next plastic box, is groundbreaking first mover advantage to the market where you could be playing Skyrim. I'm stuck. You could be playing Call of Duty and you pay $15 for Call of Duty School plugin from the Microsoft shop. From the Xbox shop, you go to the Xbox store, buy Call of Duty School, $15, bought. And then you go on a Call of Duty and say, I need help to win this match, what do I do? And it will just tell you, lie down, pull your gun up, ADS, wait for someone and shoot and reload your magazine. I mean, this is what Copilot Plus PC can do for gamers. It's a whole new front. And not only having the plastic box adopt, which is the plastic box is a history of 25 years of innovation. That's why it's still there. There's nothing else like it. So the market wants it, and you can provide it to the market, right? Now, the next step with the plastic box is this Copilot Plus PC being built into it. It's exciting. It's extremely exciting. It's great. The Copilot Plus PC has an encrypted storage locally. That will be expected to be continued to the console. And it's just going to be an exciting time where you can go on to, and the user can make the choice, and the gamer can make the choice, and you can spend your money. You can update your language model to know stuff about history, education, games, how-tos in games, all this sort of stuff. What are those books they call? You buy a walkthrough game. Like the time when you pay money for a book that gives you a walkthrough, it has returned. And it has returned right now through Copilot Plus PC. The good days are back.